Hi there guys. In today's video I'm going to show you a few pro tips on using the blockout effect. Well, today's video and more videos like this can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We do upload videos daily, so just keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, we're back in the program here. Now with the blockout effect, it can get quite messy if you if you don't have things grouped in it. So as we can see here, let's say we've got all our letters separate shapes, and we've got the smileys as its own shape. So let's say we move it over the graphics. Then like always, keep in mind that this the cutout shape has to be in the back, and that's going to be your main body shape, and the color is be the foreground or whatever you want to put onto the background shape. Now you can arrange the order here by dragging your mouse on the layers panel, clicking the shape and dragging it. But yeah, so just keep that in mind, or you can right click it and say arrange and bring to front or send to back. So now in any case, if we have all these selected, and let's say we're going to the effects and we go to blockout. Now keep in mind we did do another tutorial on blockout, so if you want to know more in depth you can just follow that one. And now otherwise, if we say okay, now we'll see we've got our let's group it all fast into one folder. Now let's say I want to cut out only the black and then only the yellow. Now it takes a bit of time. Now I have to manually go on all the eyes and select out all the black, and then afterwards put them all back, and then only cut out the yellow. So now if we just undo this, just bring this to the front. Now a better way to do this is we select all our black shapes first, or the background. So you can either go drag a box over it, and then or you can go here on the right. So you'll first move your graphics off, drag a box over all of it, and then you can go Control G for group, or you can go on top to object and then you say group. Another way you can do that, if you don't want to move your top graphics, you can just go on your layers panel, and then you select your letter, you keep shifting, and you select all the rest while your shift is selected. Sorry. Once all is selected, once again you can either go to object on top and group, or Control G. Now we'll see all of those little text in one group and your graphics is in another. So now we just move this one on top again, we select all of it, and then once again we go to effects, blockout, say okay. Now if we open this group, you'll see the text is the one and the graphics is another. So now you just have to take this eye off, print the yellow, take it back, take the yellow eye off, and print and cut the black one. So yeah, that's the basic pro tip just on arranging a better structure for the blockouts, so then using groups. Otherwise, if we just head here to our website. So if you guys go and visit softwaretraining.co.za, you can find this video and more videos like it. You guys can notice we've got quite a variety of different software we do cover, and we have a search option here if you want to search for anything specific. You're also welcome to request a training video if you don't find what you're looking for, and then we'll make that for you guys. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.